Hello and welcome to another video based on Windows-based software. One too many bases. Today we're going to talk about the clock and the calendar in Windows. As you can see down here, my clock might be a little different than yours. As you can see, it has local time, Arizona, and Tokyo. Did you know your clock could do that? Well, let's start and show you how. So mine is a little different because I had gone through the settings. Here is Kuwait time, Arizona time, and Tokyo, Japan. Okay, I have a friend here and I have a friend here, and this is my time. Sometimes I don't want to call them too late or to message them at the wrong time of day. Like right now, it's 1 a.m. in Arizona, so I definitely don't want to send a message to my friend right now because he might kill me. So let's see how I did that. Okay, go in here, change date and time settings. Okay, so most of us have seen this and we've changed the clock and time and stuff, but if you go in here, you have additional clocks. Okay, you can only have 2 additional clocks. There are widgets and other programs on the internet that would allow you to have floating clocks here. I used to have some before until I knew that I could have them here. At least 2. I never really need more than 2 or 3 anyways. But here, select the country that you want. You know, it could be India, it could be China, it could be UK. Find the clock you want. Okay. Name it what you want. You can also disable it. Okay. Now it only shows 2. But if I go back in here and I reapply, now I have 3. Okay. Here in Internet Time, when you first install Windows, you get the option of setting up your clock or having the Windows set up the clock. What it means is Windows actually goes to this website, time.windows.com, and it will automatically synchronize with the internet. So say my laptop, which I'm using right now, completely dies. The battery is dead. I don't use the laptop for a couple of months. You know, it's dead. You know, not even there's a little battery inside to keep the clock alive, even if the main battery dies. Say that one dies too. If I turn on the computer after a couple of months, it will automatically go to this website and it will synchronize and make sure that the clock and time are all correct. Okay? You can use different websites to keep your clock synchronized, but this is the default from Windows. Okay, and I don't see the need to change it. Okay, and if you go back here, just for thoroughness, okay, this is your local time. So I'm in Kuwait, which is the same as Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Okay. If you go back here, you can change the time and date. Okay, so this is my time. I can change it, then it won't be synchronized with the internet. Okay, but if you go in here, okay, change calendar settings. You have to be careful about this. This affects the whole computer and programs. So like if you're using Outlook or you're using Microsoft Excel, okay, they rely on these particular settings. Okay, for me, I like day, month, year, and that just happens to be what it's like in the Middle East. In America, it's month, day, year, but you can change it. Okay, if I go in here and I write MM for month, and DD for day. Okay, it tells you what you can write and the different abbreviations, and you can change it, and it will go all across your computer and other softwares. In Kuwait, the first day of the week is Sunday, actually. That's why I have it on Sunday. If you're in America, it'll be Monday, and in some other countries, it might be somewhere else. Okay, but you can change that here. Okay, so be very careful. That's why you have currencies and numbers, is because this is system-wide. You're not just changing your regular time and clock. So be careful, because you might change something in here, and then later on you find you have a problem with your Excel or your Outlook, and you're desperately trying to figure out what is wrong with it. It's because your software defaults to some of the settings that you can access through this location here. Okay, so this is your computer's language format and location, keyboards and settings. I have an English and Arabic keyboard installed and stuff like that. So you have to be careful not to mess any of this up. Okay, so stick to the basics and avoid, when possible, going in here unless you're administrator or you have more skills and training in this matter. Okay, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.